many of us know that curdled milk is good for health? It is a natural intestinal antiseptic. Yeah, curdled milk is a kind of spoiled milk. This spoiling sometimes occurs naturally and sometimes because of outside environment and conditions. Like the way we store, the way we boil, whatever it is, you don't have to throw it out. Lots of people nowadays are using this curdled milk to prepare paneer or some kind of sweets like rasgulla, to bake cakes or even soups. But all this take a bit time and effort, right? Today I'm going to tell you a simple, easy weasy technique to make use of this curdled milk. It's a sweet which you can make it in 2 to 5 minutes and it tastes yum. So how to do it? This milk curdling generally happens when you start heating it. So if you see the water is completely separated, if you can see a clear, some kind of a pale yellow or green color water, you can switch off the flame. Or else you can add a little bit of salt or lemon juice to your milk to separate it completely from the water. So at this stage, switch off the flame and strain the water and collect the milk curdle.
Add some rock sugar or jaggery or some sugar to them and keep stirring on a medium to high flame till it gets brown. See the color? So yummy. It looks so yummy. It tastes so yummy. And you can make it in a jiffy. As it is hard to digest, don't take it too much. Definitely try it when you spoil your milk next time.